Hello, welcome to our second session about noise. We start now here, as you can see at the setup, when I talk, 65 decibel. Now I mount the camera back in the rig, that you can see what's going on. And now let's start. Unfortunately, my small GoPro camera refused to work out of battery, and the second battery is not available. So I will have a shaky video, but it should be sufficient. Now let's start. So normal operation is going on. Now we focus on noise. It's a ramp cutting into the system. Noise is 68, 76, 69, 120 millimeters per second. I have to switch back on the cooling. Now we have 72, but my cooling, something is not going to work like it should. So, I cannot say what happened. Unfortunately, I will now have to stop it because cutting aluminium without any cooling is not good. But we are now, if I chat, at 76, 77, if I'm quiet. 72. So I have to cut it now because I have to fix the cooling. Something is wrong.